Hey guys, didn't see you there. Beautiful day, ain't it? Beautiful day for a nature walk, huh? Fuck. Let's go, shall we? Okay, yeah, guys, we're heading off into the some woods over there. We're gonna go on a nice nature walk. You know, nature walks help you. They alleviate stress in the brain that can give you cancer. And you know me, guys. I'll do everything I can not to get cancer. Everything. There's probably not one thing I actively do that could give me like a serious cancer. A definitive way to give you cancer too. Nope, I can't think of anything. Anyways, let's move on now, shall we? We got these woods over here. Some good woods, ain't it? little rhyme for you guys, you know. I do rhymes all the times. Did you guys hear that? Is that a child in trouble? Just kidding, guys. I wouldn't help a child. We're stepping into this shit now. Hopefully there's no fucking rattlesnakes. Let's go check that out. That's not a part of nature. That's human nature. Look at this shit. Look at this fucking garbage. My doctor said I shouldn't be out today, but you know I'm doing it. Throw this on the ground. I'm really concerned about environmental safety, guys. You know, Smokey always said, what did that guy used to say? What did that crazy character used to say? Don't fuck with me or I'll get the whole set on your ass. That's it. So, what we're gonna do here, you take your cigarette. You take your cigarette right there. You stamp that shit out. You make sure. So Smokey don't get the whole hood on you. It's the only reason. Right here, you can see remnants of an ancient Mayan civilization. I don't exactly know if the Mayans were ancient. I'm just kind of saying shit. But you know, this was a shrine of sorts, a temple, if you will. So they could pray to their gods, and where they made a lot of sacrifices. They kind of ripped off the Aztecs. And like, come on, guys. It's like Biggie and Tupac. Come on. Yeah, let's move on from this stupid, unnoteworthy bullshit. Fucking Mayans. They just leave their shit everywhere, dude. I swear. In Costa Rica, man, Mayan civilizations are so common. They scrap them for spare parts these days. You know, I'm just can't really trust them either. They kind of smell. You know, as do. Oh, look, no joke. See, we got one of these Mexicano blankets. I don't know if I got a good shot. Yeah, that's a good shot right there.
Can't tell me nothing about this coke. Can't tell me nothing about this crack, this weed, my hustle.
I'm lost, guys. I don't know where we are. I don't know the way back to the house. If someone could send help, look at that, guys. I have a shaky hand. It's a tree butthole. Dare me to Silent Hill to it? That's as far as I'll go. You know, I'm never one to go more than one finger in the stink. You know what I'm saying, guys? I'm lying. Put my whole fist up a girl's ass once. Do you guys see that? Hold on. Oh my God. No. It can't be. No. No! No! Anything but him, guys. Anything but him. Fuck. Which way am I going? Fucking nature could go and kiss my ass, man. Fucking A, man. I'm scared. I'm scared, guys. I wasn't prepared for this. I didn't bring water. I didn't bring a phone. Any kind of phone. I'll never see my family again. Nothing else to do but jerk off, I guess. I gotta get out of here. Been wandering these woods for 3 days now. I haven't had any water, even though I'd be dead. I can't find my way. If anyone ever finds this, just let my family know. I'm sorry I ate the last chicken and bacon Hot Pocket. I know they're new and I know you wanted one, but I just couldn't help myself. I just couldn't help myself. I'm so sorry. We can't find our way back. Oh. Did we like teleport here or something, guys? Like, huh, ain't that wacky? Alright, see you guys all in the next sick, wacky, zany video. Nature walk. Come on, Jimmy, hold on, you're not gonna fall. I'm not letting you fall, Jimmy. Jimmy, just hold on. Hold on. Jimmy! Don't let go! Jimmy! Jimmy! You good? Nah, you don't look good. Skull's cracked open. Fuck, man. Well, by golly, Jimmy. How'd you survive that?
Truth is, I let you fall. And since it didn't do the job, guess I'm gonna have to finish you off.